Alright guys, so shout out to Jason for helping me out big time get all this stuff here. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We had a major issue I'll talk about in a second, but this is Windrock 2025, and again, always riding with good friends, and always thankful for the help. Hey guys, I want to give a big shout out to the Venture Unknown family and community. This was the green team's perspective, and basically with this I wanted to welcome people, make it comfortable, not intimidating to wheel, even though we got into some sticky situation. This event is hosted at Windrock around January, and there's things like cook-offs, there's raffles, there's 2 days of off-roading, and Sean and the whole family, the whole crew basically goes out of their way to try to make this as fun and enjoyable to everyone. Big thanks to IceCo for stepping up and sending a fridge, which was specially wrapped by a VU member. And then John Tobias with Morimoto helped out big time with helping me guide the team. Daniel with Taruka, my tail gunner, and then our whole team in general was just an amazing, fun group to have. I really enjoyed it. I hope to come back next year and lead another green team. And thank you again. Like, subscribe, share the video. I really appreciate everyone watching, and I hope you like. Hey, what's going on, dude? So yeah, we're walking around. This is a vendor section, and I'll kind of walk you around a little bit what's going on here. We had a little bit of trouble with our differential fluid. It all leaked out, but we got it all fixed. And then this is the entrance here. They got the BF Goodrich and the Snowman, and then they got Sean's rig. I'll kind of walk you around that for a little bit and show you everything he's got. Bruiser, you've probably seen it before, especially on the cleanups. He's got his Inca 4x4 trail bag, super heavy duty bag. Got our Defender over there. And yeah, today's Thursday, so everyone's getting in. Daniel with Taruka's here. He's setting up near us, so alright, so you guys have all seen our Defender, the alley cap conversion, the awning. This is Oscar right here. They use him for cleanups. And then this is the pavilion. This will be like all fold up later on. There'll be a whole bunch of events and stuff. I'll show you kind of the events that are going on. So this is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are some other trails they do. Michelle over there welcoming people. And then yeah, so this will be all set up nice in here. It'll be full, and there'll be a chili contest tomorrow. We're doing the trails, so I don't and we're listening to Sean over there. And yeah, start off a cold day.
So I know
and Junior's got a cold beer. That's gonna be a good evening.
Heard me repeat myself quite often.
And we're getting ready to leave. We're gonna line up with our, I should have my hood down, probably would make the most sense. Alright, so right now we got the whole crew together. They're behind us. And we got John from Morimoto. Guys, I really invite you to go over to Inca Overland Outfitters. You'll see all the lights. We're really happy with our light setup. We run a whole bunch of great Morimoto product. And my mom's behind, and I'll give you another camping hack. You bring your mom because she's gonna cook good food.
The hack is you don't bring your mom, you bring Luis's mom.
There you go. Daniel with Taruka made us an amazing cookies and banana bread, and yeah, we're gonna just do as much as we can today and head back to camp, go see Sean and the rest of Venture Unknown. So so far a great trip, great people. All right, guys. So this is the second day, and this is a little vendor section. Sean had his meetup at 7:30. We got the whole crew here, and then we're gonna be hitting the trail soon, just staying warm near the fire pit. We've taken John Tobias's Subaru. Hey, so we're here at the general store, meeting up with Christian. That's his wife, 4Runner, and then John Tobias over there had a rough night. But yeah, this will be a fun day. We'll see what we get into, and yeah, if you've ever been here, it's really nice setup that they got going on. We got Hans, Anise, Daniel, and Chris over there, and our new friends Leah and Timothy. Hey, how you doing? So this is a general store. They have a whole bunch of cool stuff here. You get your passes and everything there, and you check out over there, and they got shirts and all that. Yeah, so you could take a peek, drinks, all sorts of snacks and stuff, and yeah.
Hey guys, this is Daniel from Taruka. Keep watching.
Next door to the left.
That was I think that was Hans. This is a little we had to turn around on this trail. It was too much it was too deep over there, and this is like way too crazy, so we were trying to make the turn.
Go down. I don't want to get You have to swim for it. You risk it. We're risking a lot here.
No, the next step you take
Do
it.
any of you guys have radios up here? Okay, I just want to make sure that everybody knows behind us what's going on.
I'll have a radio here.
You good? Slack sail?
No, you still got some more slack on it.
Go, more. Go.
The ice. Hold on. The
Go.
ice is
Yeah.
just
He's go.
Right side. Start one more time.
no. El cielo es como una roca ahí.
John, go.
Yeah, don't stop. I have to go at the same time. What about one more?
Yeah, and the same time los dos.
Damn, so who's... Alright guys, so we're here on the trail, and this is a blue trail. And it's really hard to gauge blues and greens. Like, the things can change so quickly. And we have two Subarus with us that we're trying to get them through obstacles, so hopefully this works out. And Nikki right here.
Hey, this is Nikki. Keep watching.
So John Tobias' Subaru has like skid plates on the bottom, and this right here was a little complicated because the Subaru in the back was like a wilderness package but didn't really have any skids. He rubbed a lot, so we were really worried about this white Subaru that Daniel has. So we kind of all worked together to try to stack rocks, pick the best line. And there was other parts just like this where some of the vehicles were too large, and John Tobias pretty much stepped up big time and got us to all work together, and we got the vehicles across safely. What we were trying to do here was trying to take a bypass so we can get to a green trail on our way out, and then it didn't work out like that because the trail that we were originally trying to go through had us going through a restricted spot that was a lookout, and we got stuck there pretty bad. And John Tobias's little Subaru actually pulled out the white 4Runner. So yeah, this was a little intense. I was worried for some of the people's rigs, even though they're not mine. I kind of empathize, and if it happened to me, I wouldn't enjoy having to do repairs. So I'm really thankful for everyone.
Keep going just like that. Right. Drop. Keep coming faster, hard faster.
Oh, we got one coming. Look at that. Nice.
Look at that, right on those rock placements. Nice job.
See if you can.
So this corner they need another the so look here.
That's not.
Here is it.
Daniel,
if he comes
that
back
looked
and straight
super
up,
cool. You got one
we'll
wheel
go.
off.
Oh, okay.
It was so freaking
Okay,
cool.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this line is probably gonna hit it now. Keep coming. No drop. There we go.
Couple drop, one right there, another one right there. Coming. Maybe another drop right here. One couple drop. And back one drop right there. Beautiful.
Nice job.
One, two right now. And back the front.
Another drop in the crossing corner.
Straighten her up.
Hey guys, if you could see me right now, I'm covered in mud.
We're okay
All
if
this
you guys pull forward a little bit. We can
mess
drop it back
here.
off closer to his car.
And we're on supposed to be a blue trail, but it's kind of been intense. We have a big rig. We have a Subaru. John's Subaru's been amazing, and John's actually helped out a lot guiding us. So yeah, let's see. Hopefully we make it through this, and we get to go back to camp and stuff. So we eventually made it back to camp. Sean and the whole Venture Unknown family were able to add the numbers up, and it was over 100,000 pounds of trash they removed from the National Forest. The raffle went off, and there was really cool prizes. A lot of work went into it, so everyone at Venture Unknown should be really proud. And then again, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you stuck to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.